In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize typography, general settings, and button styles in your funnel or website builder. We're going to focus on a few of the most important design settings that help create a polished and consistent look across your pages. These options are especially useful when you want your site to feel more on brand without having to edit every single element one by one. To begin, open your funnel or website builder and look at the top of the screen for the settings gear icon. This is where many of your global design controls live. Once you click that gear, you'll see different sections that affect the overall appearance and functionality of your site. First, go into typography. This is where you can set your global fonts for both headings and content. Headings usually include titles and larger text that need to stand out, while content refers to the main body text visitors will read throughout the page. Setting these fonts globally is a huge time saver because it keeps your design consistent and automatically applies your choices across the site. As you choose fonts, try to keep readability in mind. A strong heading font paired with a clean, simple content font often works best for a professional result. Next, return to the settings area and select General. In this section, you can update the favicon and custom code if your theme supports CSS-based customization. The favicon is the small icon that appears in the browser tab, and although it's a small detail, it helps strengthen your branding and makes your site look more complete. If you're using a CSS-based theme, the custom code area gives you extra control over styling. This is helpful if you want to apply more advanced visual adjustments beyond the standard editor settings. Now let's look at button colors. If you want to change the appearance of a button, click directly on the specific button you want to edit. From there, go to Advanced, then open Button Theme. You can select a preset style if you want a quick update, or you can customize the look more manually by adjusting the border and shadow settings. This gives you more control over the final appearance, especially if you're trying to match a specific brand style or create stronger visual contrast. As you make these updates, it's a good idea to keep your overall design consistent. Small changes to fonts, icons, and buttons can make a big difference in how professional and cohesive your site feels. Once everything looks the way you want, review your page to make sure the styling works well together and supports a clear user experience.